digging.
I'm a crane. I'm very strong. I'm the bulldozer. I'm an expert at pushing the dirt. Dump truck. Road roller. Concrete mixer.
We're Super Truck Team. We're not afraid of difficulties and are ready for challenges. Super Truck Team Bridge Construction. Excavator Transport. Super Truck Team, let's set off. A bridge needs to be built here to enable vehicles on both sides of the river to pass through quickly. Truck Team, I'll count on you for this task. You can count on us. Super Truck Team, let's get to work. I am the excavator. You can leave the task of digging for bridge construction to me. Be sure to tighten the steel wire with the handle. The bridge pier is set up. I am the crane, and I will complete the task of lifting the bridge deck. Let's piece the bridge deck model together with steel bars first. Drag the lifting hook to the lift bridge deck for assembling.
I am the concrete mixer, and I will complete the task of mixing concrete. Let's concrete the bridge deck.
I'm the road roller. Let's compact the road to make it level. Use a marking machine to draw neat white lines on the bridge deck. Once the concrete is air-dried and solidified, pour white paint into the marking machine. That's not correct. Try again. That's not correct. Try again.
Truck team, the bridge you have built is so amazing! Thank you very much! Super Truck Team, let's wait to set off!
No internet. Please ask your dad or mom for help.
Let's complete train station construction! Hi. Excavator, transport! Super Truck Team, let's set off! A train station needs to be built here. Truck Team, can you complete this task? No problem. Super Truck Team,
Let's get to work.
Before building the train station, construct the foundation first.
I'm the bulldozer. I can clean up the mess on the ground. I'm a concrete mixer. I'm here to lay the concrete. Road roller. Compact the road until it is level. I'm the strong crane. I'm here to hoist the waiting room.
Finally, let's build the railway tracks.
I'm a dump truck. I'll help lay the stones first.
I'm the excavator, and I'll lay the tracks first. I need to attach an agile grapple. Let's lay the ties now. The ties can secure the rails by supporting them. Then assemble the rails. And fasten the screws on the rails.
Yo-ho! The rails are completed! We can hoist the train on the rails!